Hi, this segment is intended to show the use of the full and part circle drive assembly of the R series conversion. The 900 series Rainbird sprinkler comes with two different types of drive assemblies. There is a full circle drive assembly, and then there is a part circle drive assembly. This is a full circle. There's no adjustment on the top, and it's going to be just going in a complete full circle all the time. If I wanted to change this sprinkler to be a part circle sprinkler, I would have to remove this complete riser assembly, have on hand a part circle riser assembly that I could now drop into the body and only water a portion of the area around the sprinkler head. In comparison with the R series sprinkler, once it's installed into the sprinkler body, and the arc position is determined, it can water as a part circle today, or with a simple adjustment of the adjustment band, I've now made it into a true unidirectional full circle sprinkler that will water as a full circle until I come back, readjust, and once again make it a part circle sprinkler. One conversion, full circle and part circle, versus two conversions to get the same benefit. That's it.